Hi, I'm Sherning, the house captain of Jawa here and the head of boarding here at KTJ. So my plans after KTJ are to pursue medicine in the future.
I'm Arison, the house captain of Imran, and I plan to read law in the UK after KTJ. So Sherning, what's the main thing you learned in your leadership position?
I think the main lesson that I've taken away from being here at KTJ is definitely how to communicate with my juniors and how to communicate with people from different age groups. Because here at KTJ, we don't only interact with people in our own forums, but we actually have a lot of activities that involve us with different year groups and younger juniors. And being house captain especially, I have to learn to tailor my communication to be able to communicate with them better. And so they can understand that I'm not there to force them into different activities, but that I just want them to feel involved and that everyone can have fun together in the community. Yeah. How about you?
For me, I think it would be that my organization skills have improved tremendously as a result of this, specifically because I've been thrown into a situation where I need to use these skills. So in KTJ, we have sports events that encompass 3 big categories, which are seniors, intermediates, and juniors. And just having to manage the whole house of 80 boys within these 3 categories, training them, forming the teams, and just being able to communicate with them, make sure that they're in a safe environment, healthy environment, is a whole logistical affair. And being able to manage that has developed my organization skills quite tremendously.
So Arison, is there any advice that you would give to any prospective boarding students who want to come to KTJ?
Yeah, definitely actually. And my biggest thing would be to embrace the community. Just being in your house, being able to make friends with the seniors and embracing the diversity of the whole situation in KTJ is something that will make your experience a very enriching one. Specifically because in KTJ, you have an environment or a community that is quite international. We have students from East Asia, people from Japan, China, and Korea. And just being able to talk to them, learning about their culture has been something that has been quite enriching to me. And because of that, I would recommend every single person to embrace the environment that you have within each house, because you never know, you may just make a new best friend who lives in Korea as a result of that. And what about you, Sherning?
Well, you mentioned embracing just now, and I think embracing the community is one, but also embracing the boarding culture here at KTJ. I think what makes KTJ so unique is that it's not just academics, but you are always surrounded by people who are willing to play sports with you, go out and do activities with you. So you don't only get the balance of academics, but you also get a balance of being able to have fun outside with people, interacting with people from different houses. So I feel that by being in KTJ, you are almost signing a contract to devoting yourself to all the different activities here in the school. So we have a variety of house events like house rugby, house netball, we have cross country, and we also have house quiz, house singing. So I think there's just such a vast variety of things that you can involve yourself in. And the one thing I would tell all students who want to come to KTJ or any student that wants to try boarding is involve yourself in anything that you can. Try everything, because you only have your time here, and after that, I feel like the experience that you will get working outside will not be the same that you have here in KTJ. So definitely throw yourself into everything that you can. Yeah.
So Sherning, what's the biggest thing you'll miss about KTJ?
I think I'll definitely miss my house star here the most. I feel that me and the girls in my house, we've developed such a bond over the last 2 years that I've been here. And honestly, I feel that that bond cannot be replicated anywhere else, because we've spent so much time together in the last 2 years, doing everything together. We've lived together, we've done every single house activity together, and there's so many things that have just brought us closer together, be it cooking in the pantry or cheering for each other when we're in different sporting activities. And I feel that that community is something that I cannot really build outside of KTJ, and I wouldn't have had the opportunity to if I hadn't come here. So I feel that the community here in KTJ being so welcoming and friendly, and the members of my house being just amazing people, those are the 2 things that I would definitely miss the most after leaving KTJ. How about you?
You know, Sherning, I think the biggest thing I'll miss is the little things. And the little things come about as a result of being so engaged with the community, right? So I think because I feel like the people who are in my house are somewhat my brothers, I feel every time we have lunch together, every time we have walks in the evening, every time we play sports in the evening, these are things that I'll miss. I'll definitely miss, because these are experiences that are entirely unique to KTJ and the boarding experience that you'll probably, just like you said, you'll probably never get anywhere else. And yeah, because it's the little things that make your experience so rich, I'll miss the little things the most. To all the upper sixes, my message to you is to try your best and just give everything your best shot. You'll thank yourself for that.
To all my fellow friends in upper six, congrats, we're all graduating now. I think I just wanted to say that I'm so grateful for all of you guys making the last 2 years here in KTJ the most memorable 2 years of my life. And I don't think any other experience could replace that. And I'm extremely grateful for all the memories that we've made together. I hope that all of us will continue to cherish the bond that we've made here in KTJ, and that we won't forget the amazing memories and experiences that we've had while being here.